Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open FaceTime and place or accept the call. Make sure you've granted microphone access in settings so mute works correctly. Once the call connects, tap the screen to reveal the call controls. This is where you act. Look for the microphone icon. Tapping it stops your audio from leaving the device, which preserves privacy and prevents background noise. You're doing this first because muting at the source is immediate and reliable. Make sure the icon shows a slash to confirm muting. Once muted with the mic icon, you can refine the setup. Open the audio menu to switch to speaker or paired Bluetooth headphones if you prefer remote muting controls, because some headsets have dedicated mute toggles. If you only want a stop video, tap the camera icon to disable your camera while keeping audio off. This separation matters. Audio and video are independent, so use the controls to match privacy needs. Make sure the icons visibly change to confirm each action. To finish, unmute by tapping the microphone icon again. When the slash disappears, others hear you. If muting doesn't work, quit FaceTime and reopen it. Make sure microphone permission is enabled under Settings Privacy Microphone. FaceTime needs that access. If problems persist, restart the device and record a quick voice memos clip to test the microphone hardware. This isolates software from hardware issues. One key tip: if a Bluetooth headset is connected, mute at the headset too, because device routing can bypass in-app mute.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.